All right, welcome everyone. So in this short video, I'm just going to show you how you can make payment for this 100 days accelerated program. Okay, so basically, we are going to send you a link, a referral link. So use that link to sign up. Once you sign up, all right, it will take you to this homepage. All right, once you sign up, you will be back to this homepage. So click on courses and go straight to this one. All right, 100 days accelerated front-end development. Click on it. All right, and it will bring you here. So click on start for free or go to class, anyone. Now, once you're here, all right, once you're here, click on any of these buttons, enroll for 50K. Click on any of them. So once you click on it, all right, select your payment option, pay with Paystack, then enter the amount you want to pay for. Let's say you want to pay for 30,000, 25,000. Okay. Whatever amount you want to pay for. But let's assume I want to pay 50,000 naira. I'll click on pay with Paystack. I'll click on pay with Paystack. Then it will open a browser window for me, another browser window for me. So now you're now interacting with Paystack, not the Global Genius. We are using Paystack as our payment method, our payment gateway. So if you pay to Paystack, they will remit to us. And the reason why we are a legitimate company, we are registered, and that's why Paystack allowed us to use their platform. In short, any money you pay here, Paystack is collecting their fee, and we're also paying tax. You understand? So what we do here is legit. Okay. So you take any of the options and enter your details. Once you're done, all right, payment successful. Once the payment is successful, when you're done, close the window, close this browser window, close it. Once you close it, it will redirect you to the course page. All right. But now my own is abandoned, but your own will be successful. You will see green. Your own will be successful. All right, so this is how to make payment. Let me show you again. Let's go back to the home page. Let's go back to the home page. All right, yeah, let's just go back to the home page. You start from the home page, click on courses. Once on the home page, click on courses. Come down here. All right, select this 100 days accelerated front-end development. Click on it. Click on start for free or go to class button. It brings you here. Select any of the button. Select any of the button, enroll for 50,000. Select any one. All right. Select payment option, pay with Paystack. Enter the amount, 50,000. Okay. And then it opens a Paystack window. All right, a browser window for Paystack. So choose the one. If you want to do transfer, you want to use card, you want to do, but any one you want to use. When you're done with the payment, just follow what Paystack, the steps Paystack gives you. Once you're done with the payment and it's successful, close this browser window, and then it will redirect you to the course page. Then you see your payment was successful. My own was abandoned because I didn't complete the payment. So you see your own in green and the payment was successful. So this is how you make payment. All right. This is how you make payment. So thank you very much. I will see you in the class.